Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Laban Sports Club kelas Sdang ya ke first Meghalaya Open Table Tennis Cash Prize Tournament hagas ngithok ding Laban Sports Club Indoor Stadium Shillong. Ya kene ke lempung yalek kai laple de orang bak shnong ka Laban uba Edward Karwan lang kumukongsan. Haringkat ke jendon lang uba Remus Walang bat ke wei kinong ketkam Laban Sports Club. Ha kene ke lempung lawan nation benta da shispa Henry ngut kinong yalek kai ha ka bela pihak halaki jongki kerdan yalek kai kata ha ka under 14 but under 19 jongki shenrang kumjuk ki kerdan senior jongki shenrang bat kenthai lem bat ki veteran ya kene ke lempung on penkut ha ka sngi satjan
heartening and encouraging to see that Laban Sports Club Coaching Center and Academy here have initiated this first ever table tennis prize money tournament, and I'm sure it will go a long way in promoting the sports of table tennis in the state of Meghalaya as a whole. So kudos to Laban Sports Club Coaching Center.
As you all know that table tennis was adopted way back in 1921-22, and the first World Cup was started in the year 1926 at London, and it was known as those days as ping pong. Nowadays it's called table tennis.
We decided that we should have a tournament for the kids to encourage table tennis. As you know, table tennis is growing very fast in India, and we would love to have champions from our state. So welcome to Laban Sports Club, welcome to this tournament. On behalf of Laban Sports Club, the executive members, the Dorbar Shnong, the Seng Tailang Kentei, Laban, the Seng Samla, and all of us from Laban, we welcome each and every one of you, and the very best, and may the best player win, and play the tournament in the spirit that it should be played. Thank you.
I, on behalf of the Laban Sports Club, and on behalf of Dorbar Shnong Laban, I declare this first regular Open Table Tennis Cash Prize Tournament open. Thank you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To all the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.